A lot of people think that for someone to be classified as having diarrhea, then you should have more than 3 watery stools a day. But do you know that depending on the amount of stools being produced, someone can have just 2 stools per day, and that can be classified as diarrhea. What most of people know about diarrhea is that diarrhea is the release of frequent watery stools more than 3 times a day. That is correct, but also depending on the amounts, just 2 stools or sometimes even 1 stool can be classified as diarrhea. Now let me give an explanation to this. Let's consider 2 patients or 2 people. One had 5 watery stools a day and another had 2 watery stools in a day. Now, if the one who had 5 watery stools a day, the summation or the totality of the amount of stools being produced, considering that 5 rounds of going to visit the toilet, was, let's say, 500 mils. So let's say the person had 5 watery stools a day, but the totality or the summation of the amount of stools being produced is 500 mils, and the other who had just 2 loose stools, the summation of the totality of the amount of stools being produced is 1000 mils. So when we construct these two amount of stools being produced, even though the one who had 5 loose stools is classified as diarrhea, the amount being produced is lesser than the one who had just 2 loose stools. So this means that someone can have just 2 loose stools and that can be classified as diarrhea. That is depending on the amount being produced. So I want you to know that it is not always the case that someone should have more than 3 watery stools before the person can be classified as having diarrhea. I know that you have learned a lot from this simple or this short video. Kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video to friends so that they too will learn a lot from this video. Thank you.